EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a smart traffic light simulator. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an 8x8 LED matrix, 3 LED, 3 resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Place the LED on the breadboard as shown here. Attach resistors to each LED as shown here. Connect the other end of the first resistor to the digital pin 8, second resistor to pin 9, and third resistor to pin 10 on the Arduino. Connect the shorter leg of the LED to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Connect the 8x8 LED matrix to the Arduino. Connect the VCC and GND pins to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Connect the DIN pin to the pin 12, CS pin to the pin 11, and CLK pin to the pin 13 on the Arduino. Connect the 5V and GND pins of the Arduino to the positive and negative power rails of the breadboard. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will allow us to simulate a smart traffic light. You can download this code from the video description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.